Hi everyone, welcome back to ABC Hosting, your trusted channel for all things web hosting and streaming. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting and essential topic: how to stream OBS to a web server. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just curious about streaming, this video will guide you through the basics and show you how to make your stream seamless and professional. Now, let's break it down. I'll first explain what OBS is and why streaming to a web server is important. Then I'll introduce you to the best solution for streaming servers that makes this process a breeze. Stay tuned for that. OBS, short for Open Broadcaster Software, is a free and powerful tool used for live streaming and recording. It's loved by creators worldwide for its customization, reliability, and ability to handle high-quality streams. But here's the thing. If you're streaming directly to platforms or audiences, you need a web server. Why? A web server ensures your streams are available to your viewers without interruptions, giving you full control over your content. It's especially crucial for hosting private streams or managing large-scale broadcasts. Now, if you're wondering which web server provider to choose, let me save you the hassle. The answer is simple: QloudHost. QloudHost offers high-performance streaming servers optimized for seamless broadcasting. With 24/7 uptime, unmatched privacy, and blazing fast speed, it's the perfect partner for your OBS streaming needs. Here's what sets QloudHost apart: DMCA-ignored hosting. Your content remains uninterrupted no matter what. Scalable solutions handle small streams or massive broadcasts without any worries. Affordable pricing, top-notch features without breaking the bank, exceptional support. Their team is available around the clock to assist you. You'll find the link to QloudHost in the description below. Check it out and start streaming like a pro today. And that's how you stream OBS to a web server. It's not as complicated as it seems when you have the right tools and support. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with others who might benefit from it. And hey, if you haven't already, subscribe to ABC Hosting for more tips, tutorials, and insights into web hosting and streaming. We've got plenty of exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy streaming!